Hey guys, welcome to the Knot of the Week. Today we're going to tie the right angle knot and a round turn with 2 half hitches as we progress in our DIY knot board display. Alright, so we're going to start off with a round turn with 2 half hitches, and a round turn is literally just a turn around an object like this PVC pipe. And what you're going to do is just tie a basic overhand, just like this. And what you need to focus on here is the direction you start with, because that's the direction you're going to go around again. So once you make this tie here, like so, you're going to come around the same direction. So I went over that last time, so over the standing part and back through. So that gives you your 2 half hitches. So let's do it one more time. Again, the turn around the object. And I pass this around from the top, so I'm left with this. I take my working end over my standing part, just like so, and cross back around the back side. And I like to visually look at a knot like this when I'm tying these half hitches, because it kind of helps me secure whatever I'm tying onto with my finger like this, and then I can loop around again and back through. The half hitch is actually kind of cool because you can keep doing it that same way, and it will continue to repeat itself as a pattern, and it kind of looks neat because as you tie it over and over again, you can see it'll start to turn. So it kind of gives you this really cool spiral pattern if you're into knot work and stuff like that too. So it can be decorative as well. So moving on to our other knot, which is the right angle. And all the right angle is a clove hitch with an extra turn. That's really the only thing. So it's a little more secure than a clove hitch. So instead of crossing like you would in a normal clove hitch, I'm going to go around a second time before I cross like this, and then come back up here. And I'm going to take that X that comes over here, and I'm going to lift it up, and I'm going to tuck that working end under there and tighten. So that is the right angle. And again, to remove it, it's the same thing as a clove hitch. You just grasp that cross and go like that, and you should be able to lift that right off of there. So one more time again, round twice, and leave yourself enough slack so you can take that working end over the standing part. You're going to go at a 45 around it, kind of making an X, and you may need to make sure your lines are stacked correctly because it's easy to kind of get them messed up. And I'll kind of do this a little haphazardly and see if I can get them kind of messed up. So there's kind of a mess up, and you just need to kind of fix this, move this over to here, and then tighten up, and that is your right angle. All right, so this is what it looks like on our janky ship's wheel in our DIY knot board display. We've got our right angle here, and then our round turn with 2 half hitches here. So we're going to keep adding to this janky ship's wheel. We've got another 2 probably knots to tie on this, maybe more, but that's kind of our progress so far. Again, I'm using like a 1/8 inch heat shrink on a small diameter cotton rope and a larger diameter cotton rope. I can't tell you the dimensions exactly offhand. However, that's kind of what I think looks really cool for this. I'm going to find something else to do with, what ends here. So I might turn those into some other knot on the end of that to kind of do something interesting with the ends here on the ship's wheel. But that is coming, so that is our progress on the DIY knot board display. Thanks for watching the Knot of the Week. Remember to subscribe if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel. We would very much appreciate your subscription and clicking that little bell that will allow you to receive notifications when we publish a new video like this. Thanks.